Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about a new airdrop, Tether Gold. Alright, you can see this particular airdrop is currently ongoing on the Gate.io exchange, and there are about 53 XAU tokens to be claimed. Alright, that is Tether Gold tokens to be claimed, and one current Tether token is currently worth about 4,400. Alright, let me just head over to the chart. You can see Tether Gold currently is worth about 4,400. all right, so about 53 of them, you can do the maths and know the price pool for this particular airdrop. So all you have to do guys is just to make sure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video, as I'll be explaining the step-by-step guides on how to participate in this particular airdrop. And mind you guys, this is going to last for about 12 days, so you have about 12 days for this particular airdrop claim to end. All right, so do not sleep on this. And in case you're joining us for the first time or not yet subscribed, kindly do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. All right, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. All right, now the first thing you have to do guys is just to go ahead and create an account with Gate.io exchange if you don't have one. I'll be leaving the link for you guys in the description box of this video. Once you're done creating your account, go ahead and do your KYC verification and you're good to go. All right, now currently we have about 11,191 people participating in this particular airdrop, and all you have to do guys is just to come along and join the queue. And to do that, the first thing guys is just to log into your account. All right, once you're logged in, you come up here and click on this one that says participate. Airdrop registration is currently open. All right, you can see it's currently open, and this event is going to end on the 9th of next month, that is the 9th of April 2026. You can see this right here. And airdrop distribution guys is going to take place on the 28th of April 2026. all right, so everything is already set. All you have to do guys is just to log into your account, come up here and click on participate. all right, if you don't click on participate, you will not be able to claim from this particular airdrop. all right, now once you click on participate, the next thing guys is just to go ahead and carry out trades on this particular exchange, Gate.io exchange. Now here is what you have to do. all right, make your first futures trade after joining Gates and achieve trading volume of Tether Gold greater than $1,000. all right, now if you're able to accumulate trading volume of about $1,000, you stand a chance of participating in claiming from this particular XAU Tether. all right, you can see you can claim up to, once you reach about 1,000 USDT, you'll be able to claim at least this amount of candy. all right, this amount of candy, 0.000254. if you multiply it by the total price of XAUT, you'll be able to know how much you claim at the moment. all right, if you're able to accumulate up to $8,000 guys, that is in trading volume, not actual USDT, that is in trading volume, you stand a chance of claiming up to 0.02 Tether Gold tokens from the airdrop. all right, and if you multiply this is approximately about 80 something to $100 if you're able to participate in this particular campaign. Now for you to earn this particular airdrop, you must not be good in only futures trading. all right, if you're not good in futures trading, you can actually use other options like the spot trading. Let me just scroll down a bit so you see more about this particular airdrop. all right, so trading XAUT with a trading volume greater than $3,000 guys, you actually and you stand the chance of earning more in this particular airdrop, up to $500. This is about 0.05. if you multiply it by around 4,400 and something, you'll be getting up to at least $500 from this particular airdrop. all right, that is if you trade XAUT and get greater than $3,000 trading volume. all right, you stand the chance of getting up to $500 worth of airdrop of Tether Gold. Now over here guys is that of spot trading. You might not necessarily participate in futures trading if you don't know how to trade on futures. all right, so if you want to use your spot trading and still benefit from this particular Tether Gold airdrop, all you have to do guys is just to come up here and click on participate in this particular task. all right, and trade XAUT on spots and accumulate at least $1,000 trading volume, and you stand a chance of receiving about 0.05 Tether Gold tokens. all right, this is approximately around $500. Then over here guys, if you're not able to trade, if you don't know how to trade and you still want to benefit from this particular airdrop, all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and invite newcomers to this particular exchange. All right, for each friend you invite, when their trading volume in Tether Gold futures reaches over 500 USDT, you stand the chance of receiving up to 1 candy and up to 10 times. All right, so you stand the chance of making about $500 from this particular airdrop as well. All right, now you have to verify your KYC, all right, that is the know your customer verification on this particular exchange before you be able to qualify for this particular airdrop. All right, so make sure that is verified and you're trading on XAUT, all right, that is Tether Gold, and with that guys, you'll be able to benefit from this particular airdrop. Now the crypto space has been dormant for quite some time with a little to no activity going on recently, but I saw this and thought it wise to share with you guys. So if you're able to participate in this, jump on it and start participating. All right, this event is going to end in 12 days time, so you don't have to sleep on this. If you have questions to ask, all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.